Thank you so much for listening in. We at Autism Connect have just one goal, that is to enable the millions of parents and caregivers of children with autism with the right information so you all can make the right choices. This is indeed an extremely trying time for us, and more so for our children with autism, because they are completely out of their routine. And this only means that we need to make incremental efforts to make sure that the sanctity of our house is maintained. We do believe Autism Connect would be a brilliant addition to your support system. At Autism Connect, we have tons and tons of free resources for you, which you can actually use in your house. For example, we have a series of webinars, and I would really urge you to subscribe to our webinars, because these webinars are in fact conducted by professionals and leading people in their field across the world. And these webinars are conducted in a way that you can actually take back information, knowledge, and utilize it along with your child at the luxury of your house. We also have lots of resources available for you. We've listed down a list of applications, podcasts, books, therapeutic accessories, all these resources that you can actually download and use on the fly with your child. We've also tried to list down all the therapies, whether it's the traditional, conventional therapies, or it's the new age therapies that are available to you. All our content is actually curated by professionals and it's actually validated by professionals. Our content is in a way that it is for you. So it's basically very easy to digest. It's very parent friendly. It answers the key questions that you all have as parents for your child with autism. And we've tried to enable you all in every which way with this information that we have. During this course, we have also come across some brilliant organizations who work towards the same mission as us. And we've come across Red Clover, which is one of which believes in what we are doing and also uses technology as an enabler. They have an e-reader which basically allows you to read to your child in a very interactive fashion, and it brings together a beautiful array of children books and children authors on one platform. So this also could be a brilliant platform for you to go ahead and maybe just explore. We really thank you for watching this video, and please take very good care of yourself. Thank you.